Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to edit your Instagram bio and add spaces and line breaks. So let's get started to edit your bio. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're in your account profile, tap on the Edit Profile button below to your profile picture. In the bio section, simply type your bio text. You can use the Enter key to add line breaks. You can also use spaces to match your bio text. For example, you can add a space after each comma or period to make your bio easier to read. You can use emojis in your bio to make it more visually appealing and fun. Keep in mind that Instagram bios have a character limit of 50 characters, so make sure to keep your bio concise and to the points. Once you're finished editing your bio, tap on the Done button. That's it. You've now successfully edited your Instagram bio and added spaces and line breaks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tips and tricks.